Hey guys, so this little character I drew probably about 6 months to a year ago or so, and he was just kind of doodling, just creating a random character. And I mean, it really wasn't that long ago, but now looking at it, there's just so many glaring issues that are so different than the way that I draw now. So lately, I've just been going back and editing a lot of these old characters. So this is just the time lapse of the original character, and all the original work that I did. And I don't know. I mean, this guy isn't even cute. So now we're pretty much finished with him, and we'll get to the fun part, which is where I edit him. So the first thing I do was to take away all the lighting and stuff like that, and then just I don't know. I've started really working on how to make things cute. So I changed the eyes, I changed the mouth, and make everything smaller, the nose, the mouth, things like that. And decided to completely change the eyes because once I started doing like liquify to change the shape of the eyes and things like that, it's just easier to just redo the whole eyeballs. And this guy is a lot cuter. And I always wanted to do something where the character is like on my iPad and sort of interacting with me. So I took this opportunity to really, just sort of make him hang out on the iPad. I never really did that before, but I took one photo of my hand, and then I decided, well, let me just export it as PNG and mess with the lighting and see if I can sort of match it so it looks like he's actually in the physical space. And I'm pretty happy with it. I think it's a lot better than it was. He's a lot cuter than he was, I think. And just a lot of fun to do. Yeah, definitely an improvement over the original character. And it's kind of nice. It's really fun to go back and re-edit some of my old artwork that I am not really happy with, because even over a short amount of time I learned that I can improve. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate you. Be sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at DrugFreeDave, and don't forget to join my private Facebook group, Procreate Tutorials and Guidance. Check me out on Facebook. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon, and as always, keep drawing, and I'll see you in the next video.